Hi, my name is Dr. Avery Neal, and I am a psychotherapist, author, and founder of the Women's Therapy Clinic. I specialize in women's mental health and wellness, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about depression in women. Women are more vulnerable than men to experiencing depression at different stages in life. This can be due to hormonal changes and hormonal disruptions, as well as any kind of major life transition. So anytime we have a major life transition, let's say getting a new job, getting married, having a baby, moving, any kind of loss, any kind of major event, we are more vulnerable to experiencing depression. And a lot of people don't realize that there's this vulnerability there. And so when they don't maybe feel like they expect to feel during something that maybe is considered a positive transition or change, that can be very difficult. But it's important to realize that as our circumstances change or we're experiencing a transition, this can absolutely lead to sort of a vulnerability where we may, become more anxious and more depressed. The other thing is any kind of hormonal shift. So this happens frequently during any kind of infertility treatment. This happens postpartum after the pregnancy hormones have dropped off. Women are certainly more at risk at experiencing postpartum depression. And then, of course, this can be seen during perimenopause and menopause as well. So these kind of hormonal shifts during different life stages can play a big role in our overall mood. The important thing to realize is when you're experiencing depression, if it goes on for longer than a couple of weeks to about a month, or if you're having concerning or worrisome thoughts of hurting yourself or not wanting to continue going on, that's certainly a time to seek out help and treatment. There's plenty of help and excellent treatment available. Supporting yourself through psychotherapy, through certain targeted supplements, particularly for depression, things like St. John's wort and B vitamins are known and researched and proven to be helpful, and even medication if necessary. These are all things that can be very helpful in terms of supporting yourself during depression. In addition to those things, having a supportive community or a sense of belonging. So surrounding yourself with people who love you and support you, who see you and who value you, can really go a long way in combating depression, or at least helping it. Even if you don't feel like socializing very much, you'll feel much better when you do, most likely. And then also making sure that you're getting 20 minutes of natural sunlight a day. Even if it's cloudy outside and you live in an overcast climate, or it's an overcast time of year, getting that natural light for 20 minutes a day has been scientifically proven to be extremely beneficial. If you can combine that with any kind of exercise or walking, that's even better. You get that nice endorphin release, which is also helpful. Anyway, I will be back with other information, ideas, and tips for helping you with various struggles. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.